Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google Chrome Sync is pause error. So if you open your Chrome and then you find that this is skill like this thing is pause and you want to fix it. So the simple way to fix it, you can just sign in again to your Google account. You can just tap on this sign in again button and then fill in your email and your password in here, and then you can tap on next or enter, and just like that, problem is solved and now the sync is back on. And if you want to prevent this problem or this error in the future, you can go to the Chrome settings by clicking on this three dots icon, go to settings and go to the privacy and security. Scroll down until you find the site settings in here. Tap on that. Scroll down again. And here, go to this additional content settings. Click on the drop down and find this option on device site data. Click on that. So you need to make sure that the default options is this one, allow sites to save data on your device, so that when you open the Chrome again, it will save your login informations. And you can also add this one, allow it to save data on your device by add the site. So you can click on add and add this one, account.google.com. Tap on add, and just like that, it will fix the problem. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the simple tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.